When did you not just dodge a bullet, but evade a full-on ballistic missile strike? A month before my wedding, my fiancé's best friend showed up at my door at midnight, completely drunk. I almost didn't answer, but something in the way he kept knocking seemed urgent. He stumbled in and started rambling about how he couldn't keep the secret anymore. Turns out my fiancé had a whole other family, a wife and 2 kids in another state. He'd been living a double life for years, switching between us every few months, claiming he had business trips. I didn't believe it at first, but his friend pulled out his phone and showed me pictures. My fiancé at a birthday party last month when he was supposedly in Seattle for work. There he was, blowing out candles with a little boy who looked exactly like him. The next morning, I calmly went through his office while he was at the gym, found a second phone hidden in his desk drawer, full of texts from Honey and pictures of his other family. Also discovered he'd taken out a huge loan in my name for the wedding. I packed my bags and left before he got home, called everyone to cancel the wedding, saying I'd explain later. His friend helped me get my name off that loan just in time. 2 weeks later, his wife found out about me and called. We're actually good friends now. She divorced him, I dodged a bullet, and he's still trying to figure out how we both found